when the roots to write complementary function.
जी.
Complementary function. You have to remember all these things.
Yes,
Should be
ma'am.
on your fingertips. The first one, when the roots are real and distinct. Real and distinct means what? The roots are going to be different.
Positive. हाँ.
Different. It's not as in a positive. It will be different from one another. In that case, how you are going to write your complementary function? Y suffix c is equals to c1 e to the power of m1x plus
M1x plus
c2
C2 e
e
to
to
the
the
power
power
of
of
M2
m2x plus c3 e to the power of m3x
M3
plus so on
C1.
cn e to the power of mnx. Right. If the roots are real but repeated r times, your second will be if the roots are real but repeated r times. In that case, your complementary function will be y suffix c is equals to c1 plus c2x plus c3 x square plus so on cr x to the power of r whole to the power of mx. If the roots are repeating, then you're going to write your complementary function in this way. According to the numbers, how many times it's repeating. If it's repeating thrice, then you have to stop till here. If it's 4, next it's going to come as a c4 x to the power of cube you're going to get. So it's like that till it's as an r times.
Okay.
Then next third one, if the roots are if the roots are complex roots. Complex roots. How we are going to identify it's a complex roots? When it is coming in the
I
form of alpha plus or minus I
B
beta.
beta.
This alpha is going to be real number and beta is going to be your imaginary part. This alpha is the real and this beta it's going to be imaginary. In that case, your complementary function y suffix c is equals to e to the power of alpha x then c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta
Beta.
x. Next, if the roots are complex but repeated r times, if the roots are if the roots are Elisa, complex but
Repeated.
repeated r times, then in that case your complementary function y suffix c is equals to it's equals to e to the power of alpha x of c1 plus c2x plus c3 x square plus cr x to the power of r into cos beta x then plus d1 plus d2x plus so on dr x to the power of r into
मैम
yes ma'am.
ये फोर्थ केस नहीं पढ़ा है हमारे को.
Roots are repeated root means this you have to be know it's an important one only. If you are going to get as an a complex but repeated times, then you are going to write in this way.
Okay.
You make a note of this one. If you are thorough with this this 1 to 4 types, then easily you can write based on your the roots what you are obtaining.
हमारे को फोर्थ केस अल्फा प्लस और माइनस रूट बीटा समझा है.
अच्छा, ये नोट कर लो. अगर आप ये 4 परफेक्ट है तो आराम से आप लिख लेते उसको.
ओके.
इसके कॉम्बिनेशंस के अंदर ही रहते वो रूट्स पूरे. अगर रिपीटेड है फिर रियल है तो जितने रिपीट हो रहे हैं अपन सेकंड केस यूज करना, जितने अपने को यूनिक है उसको फर्स्ट केस यूज करना. उसी तरह से अगर रियल है और है ना रिपीट कॉम्प्लेक्स रूट्स है तो जितने रियल है उसको केस 1 के यूज करते, जो कॉम्प्लेक्स में है उसको केस 3 यूज करते. So shall I show you the example or shall I move directly to the rules? Because in the rules of both it will get covered.
Yes,
As we,
particular integral.
what ma? What do you want to?
Particular integral.
Directly
PI.
we'll jump to the particular integral. Good, very good.
Hmm.
What is your first case in the particular integral?
E to the power of ax.
What you have to do in that one?
Substitute d is equals to a.
Hmm. Then
And
what is
if
it?
a is equals to 0,
Hmm.
e to the power of ax by phi a
Hmm.
into x to the power of m by m factorial.
Hmm. In that way they said,
Hmm.
hmm. I will say you the easiest way. If you are f of a is becoming a 0, in that case what you're going to do, you're going to multiply your numerator and you're going to differentiate your denominator with respect to d. Again you're going to substitute your every d is equals to a. If it's not coming as a 0, then that is going to be your required pi. If it's becoming a 0, then again you have to multiply your numerator with x and you have to differentiate your denominator with respect to d. In that case you're going to move. Learn the problem, it will be clear for you. But let me see with the fail case only, so that that will be more clear for you. When it's getting a fail, how you are going to, because remembering that formula it's very difficult. If if your boundary values are given, what you're going to do?
Boundary values.
Boundary value it's given for what purpose?